Welcome to Renew Your Recipe Studio. This is Pantry Powerhouse Series, your go-to place to explore everyday kitchen essentials. Today, we're going to dive into that golden block we all know and love. Butter. It's rich, irresistible, and the secret behind so many unforgettable bites. Spread on toast, melted on veggies, or swirled into sauces, butter adds a cozy richness that just feels like home. But how did this humble block become a global kitchen icon? To find out, we'll churn back the clock, way, way back. Buttery beginnings stretch back over 5,000 years. In Mesopotamia, women churned it by hand. Vikings stashed it aboard ships. And medieval feasts? They weren't complete without rustic slabs of bread and butter. So what actually is butter, and how is it made? It's surprisingly simple. Just cream and motion. Churn it up until the fat separates from the liquid. Voila! Butter and buttermilk. A creamy treasure born from a humble swirl. But not all butter is churned the same. Let's meet its flavorful family. Salted or unsalted. Cultured or clarified. Each type has its moment. Salted butter is your go-to for everyday flavor boosts. Unsalted lets bakers control every pinch of salt in delicate recipes. Cultured butter, with its tangy depth, shines on breads and in gourmet sauces. And clarified butter, or ghee, is pure butterfat, perfect for high-heat cooking without burning. Each one brings its own magic to the table. Now, let's bust a myth or two about butter and your health. Yes, butter has fat, but the good kind. It's packed with fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. In moderation, it fuels your brain, supports hormones, and gives energy a gentle boost. So how do we enjoy butter wisely? Butter is calorie-dense. A small pat carries rich flavor, luscious texture, and even fat-soluble vitamins. That means you don't need much to make a dish shine. It's all about balance, not excess. A little can truly go a long, delicious way. Speaking of flavor, let's take a buttery trip around the globe. In France, butter lifts croissants to flaky perfection. In India, ghee deepens the soul of a curry. And in America, pancakes and mashed potatoes wouldn't dare go without it. Butter knows no borders. It just brings comfort. And sometimes it even brings fun in surprising forms. Butter carving is a beloved tradition at several state fairs, but none do it quite like the Iowa State Fair. Since 1911, fairgoers have flocked to see massive butter cows carved with creamy precision. Even a full butter tribute to Iowa's own Caitlin Clark, the record-smashing college basketball star and current WNBA sensation. With judges holding up perfect tens and fans cheering, it's clear butter never looked so legendary. Now let's get practical with some quick butter tips. Store butter in the fridge to keep it fresh, but let it soften before spreading. Your toast will thank you. Cooking at high heat? Go with ghee or clarified butter to avoid smoke, and sizzle safely. After all this buttery goodness, what's the big picture? From ancient rituals to your morning toast, butter has left its golden mark on history and hearts alike. It brings warmth, joy, and flavor to every table. One little pat, endless possibilities. If buttery bites make you smile, subscribe for more golden stories.
See you next bite.
This story was brought to life by Renew Your Recipe Studio, where good food meets good stories.